some of the bedsitters here. The best of tiles here. Walls, and so in these places there are no curtain walls, there are no curtain rods. So they have that's then this is the kitchen here. Very much affordable for someone who is actually have a very small family or someone who lives alone. So this is the sink here. This is the tap there. So this area here you can actually place your gas cylinder and also some small stuff, and then you cook here. So that's the meter for the electricity. This is for the shower, and yes, the doors are steel to enhance security of your house. And this is the cardboards here for your shopping. So if you have like shopping, you can actually put them here. Pretty enough to hold or to store your shopping. And one thing I really love about this house is this one. The wall, yeah, the roofing. If it's hot, this place stays cold. If it is cold, this place stays hot. Yes. Remember, this one is only 5,000 Kenyan shilling, yeah? So this one is only 5,000 Kenyan shilling. And you already have the house. Yes. For only 5,000 Kenyan shilling, you have this amazing bedsitter in Nairobi. the toilet. So this is the toilet. Fitted with the hot shower there. It also has a tap for running water. And then the tiles on the toilets makes it to look more beautiful. Remember, this is for only 5,000 Kenyan shilling, yeah?